Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Nadeem and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for an accounts receivable job interview. If you are applying for an accounts receivable role in any organization, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I'm sharing with you the top 8 most important commonly asked accounts receivable job interview questions along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. I have already uploaded a video on accounts receivable job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Very quickly before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Alright, let's jump in. So the first important question that you should need to prepare for is, can you explain the accounts receivable process from invoice generation to payment collection? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your understanding of the end-to-end accounts receivable workflow and more importantly, your familiarity with the various steps involved, okay? So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, the accounts receivable process typically begins with the generation and issuance of invoices to customers for goods or services rendered. Upon invoice delivery, we monitor receivables, aging to track outstanding balances, and follow up with customers to ensure timely payment. We utilize various communication channels such as email, phone calls, and collection letters to facilitate payment collection efforts. Once payments are received, we apply them to customer accounts and reconcile receivable balances accordingly. Question number 2. How do you ensure the accuracy and completeness of customer invoices before sending them out? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your attention to detail and more importantly, your ability to perform invoice validation and verification procedures effectively. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, to ensure the accuracy and completeness of customer invoices, I meticulously review each invoice for accuracy, verifying details such as pricing, quantities, and terms. I cross-reference invoices with sales orders and contracts to confirm that the billed good or services match the agreed upon terms. Additionally, I verify customer details such as billing addresses and payment terms to prevent invoicing errors and facilitate prompt payment processing. Question number 3. How do you handle overdue accounts and manage collections effectively? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your ability to manage delinquent accounts and implement effective collection strategies to minimize bad debts, okay? So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, when accounts become overdue, I initiate proactive collection efforts by reaching out to customers via phone, email, or mail to remind them of their outstanding balances and inquire about payment status. I maintain regular communication with customers to address any issues or concerns they may have and negotiate payment arrangements or settlements when necessary. Additionally, I escalate collection efforts for accounts with prolonged delinquency by engaging third party collection agencies or pursuing legal actions as a last resort. Question number 4. How do you reconcile customer accounts and resolve discrepancies in payment postings? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your proficiency in account reconciliation and, more importantly, your ability to identify and resolve discrepancies promptly. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I reconcile customer accounts by comparing transaction records such as invoices, payments, and credits with corresponding entries in the accounting system. I investigate any discrepancies such as unmatched payments or unapplied credits by analyzing transaction details and communicating with internal stakeholders or customers as needed. Once discrepancies are identified, I take corrective action such as adjusting entries or issuing refunds to ensure accurate and up-to-date account balances. Question number 5. Can you discuss your experience with implementing accounts receivable automation or process improvement initiatives? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that Your interviewer wants to assess your familiarity with accounts receivable best practices, technological advancements, and more importantly, your ability to drive process efficiency improvements. Okay. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in my previous role, I led the implementation of an accounts receivable automation solution which streamlined invoice delivery, payment processing, and collections management. Additionally, I introduced electronic invoicing systems and online payment portals to expedite payment processing and improve customer convenience. These initiatives not only reduce administrative burdens but also accelerated cash inflows and enhanced customer satisfaction. Question number 6. How do you analyze accounts receivable aging reports to identify trends and prioritize collection efforts? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your analytical skills and, more importantly, your ability to leverage financial data for decision making in accounts receivable management. Okay. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I analyze accounts receivable aging reports regularly to identify trends such as aging patterns, payment trends, and customer payment behavior. By segmenting accounts based on their aging status and outstanding balances, I prioritize collection efforts on high risk accounts or those with significant overdue balances. Additionally, I identify opportunities to improve collections performance by implementing targeted strategies such as offering discounts for early payment or renegotiating payment terms with delinquent customers. Question number 7. How do you ensure compliance with credit policies and evaluate creditworthiness of new customers? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your understanding of credit risk management principles and, more importantly, your ability to mitigate credit related risk effectively. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I adhere to established credit policies and procedures when evaluating the creditworthiness of new customers, conducting thorough credit checks and assessing their financial stability, payment history, and credit references. I establish credit limits and terms based on risk assessments and monitor customer credit profiles regularly to identify changes in credit risk levels. Additionally, I collaborate with sales and finance team to review credit terms and make adjustments as needed to balance risk and business growth objectives. Question number 8. Can you discuss a challenging accounts receivable situation you encountered and how you resolved it? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your problem solving abilities, your resilience, and more importantly, your approach to handling difficult situations in accounts receivable management. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in a previous role, we encountered a significant increase in overdue accounts receivable due to a downturn in the economy. To address this challenge, I conducted a comprehensive analysis of our accounts receivable portfolio to identify high risk accounts and prioritize collection efforts. I implemented proactive collection strategies such as offering discounts for early payments, initiating payment reminder campaigns, and engaging in direct communication with customers to negotiate payment arrangements. As a result of these efforts, we successfully reduced overdue balances and improved overall collection performance despite challenging market conditions. So there you have it, 8 most important commonly asked accounts receivable job interview questions along with their sample answers. I have already uploaded a video on accounts receivable job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think would benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.